Number 20 says, an infusion of 1.2 liters is ordered to run at 78 mLs per hour, and it was started at 09:15. So to find the infusion time, we need to set up a proportion with the rate and the amount that we are infusing. So 1.2 liters, and that is 1200 mLs. One times 1200 divided by 78, and we get x is equal to 15.384615, and this is in hours, but we need to express the infusion time in hours and minutes. So the decimal part I need to multiply by 60. Now, kind of a shortcut on your calculator is that you already have this entire number on your screen. So you just want to multiply the decimal part by 60. So you can either just retype the decimal part, or if you just first subtract 15. So if I minus 15 on my calculator, then it will give me just the decimal. And then from there I can multiply by 60 and then round to the nearest whole number. So this is 15 hours and 23 minutes. Okay, for the completion time, we're adding 1523 to 0915. So the minutes column is going to be 38, the hours column is going to be 24. Now we are keeping this in military time because we started out in military time, but even in the 24-hour clock time or military time, we do not have a 24 hours. So we do need to subtract 24, and we get 0038. So 0038 is going to be our answer.